get down to the lake for an early morning swim. Got the entire 40 acres to play on. I've got to stand in front of the ute. Please, Jed! Mate! Come on, buddy. Hey! Snot of the antenna. Alright, we're off. Here's a drive that you probably haven't seen before. Or you've probably seen most of the property on YouTube. But we're doing the drive. The old house and shed with the tractor and another obstacle. Oh, there's a tractor. Cow. Move! 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 The arrogance. These pedestrians. I need a pedestrian crossing. I know, I'm a bit lazy. I could have walked, but I think it's going to be an absolutely freezing swim. So I thought I'm going to want to get back to the house and get warm quick. This water's absolutely freezing. Hard to believe, even in summer it's cold. It's so deep. I'm just going down there, but I like to reverse down because this, I call it a truck, doesn't always start. I might have to jump start it to get home sometimes. And if I'm facing the wrong way, I can't jump start it because there's no room down there to turn around. What are the chances? Cows are watching me. They see this and they think they've got feed. Man, that was really bad. Hitting everything back here. Good surf ski. Anyway, let's be careful here. Look out for snakes. All the lizards are jumping off the rock into the water. That's the splashing you're hearing. Of course, the steam room. If you haven't seen my steam room, how to build a steam room video on YouTube. That's the steam room. That's the ducks. That's where I'm swimming. It's freezing and that's where I'm jumping from. That's a cow saying, feed me. Quick update, see? Got a keg. I'll put a gas burner under that keg, which is half full of water or full of water, whatever. Once it boils, it steams, goes through that pipe into the steam room. Heats it up really well, believe it or not. And like a yoga mat on top, so I can sit on top of that roof and chill out and not have to worry about snakes coming to get me. So when am I going to set this phone up for the swim and my nice little stairway to Lake Lagoon. And a bit of wildlife coming out to greet me. Hey fella. Resting your neck on a stick. And no, it's not a vegan swim this time. Keeping the clothes on today. Not that I have to. Oh man, that's cold. Man, that is freezing. I'm not swimming. That was the swim. Man, my heart rate's gone through the roof. Unlike the lizard here, let's check him out. He's still waiting. He's going, this bloke's freaking crazy. Hey, smile for the camera. Jurassic Park. Pretty cool. Looks like he's breathing harder than me. Okay, buddy. Thanks for putting on a show for the thousands of people around the world. And now my little walk back to the U-Butte. Oh. Got me through my bricklaying days, this thing. Alright, I've got to get myself warm.